You can create hyperlinks within the same page itself. Previously, we are thinking that we can create the link to other web pages or other websites only. But by using bookmark links technique, you can create links within the same web page. That means from one section to another section of the same page, you can create the hyperlinks. In order to do so, you need to create an element with ID. The ID can be anything, and ID is the identification name. It can be anything. For example, we have created ID equal to ABC. And in the href attribute of the A tag, you need to mention hash and then ID of the target element. So when the user clicks on this particular link text, automatically the scroll bar jumps to the target element based on the specified ID. Here hash represents ID selector. So in the current working application, we are trying to create a hyperlink which jumps to Indian climate section within the same page below. So open the home.html file and scroll down to Indian climate, which is present here. And we have the ID called Indian climate. So we have ID equal to Indian climate. And for this div tag, we are trying to create a hyperlink. So keep this ID in mind. And now go to the top of the file near to beginning of the body tag. So just below the h1 tag, I am trying to add a tag and href equal to the target ID prefixed with hash. Here hash represents the ID and name of the ID is Indian climate. And the link text can be anything that is to be shown to the user. For example, we have go to Indian climate. So if the user clicks on this link text, automatically it jumps to the ID called Indian climate. But make sure you have given hash and this ID matches with the actual ID of the element which is present here. Let us check the output by using Open with Live Server. So I just click on Go to Indian Climate. It jumps to the same page. That means at the bottom of the same page. You can check again. I just click on Go to Indian Climate. The scroll bar moves to the bottom of the page where the Indian climate div tag exists. By using this technique, you can create hyperlinks from any section to any other section of the same page. That means from top to bottom or bottom to top. At your practice time, try creating bookmark links for various sections of the same page, for example for summer, winter, etc. This is how to create the bookmark links in CSS.